Wait, the green egg turned blue? Oh, wow! The egg changed color!
Egg, egg, magic egg. What color comes next? Hey, red egg, jump, jump, jump. Baby chick, bump, bump, bump. Deep blue egg, roll away. Funny chick says, yay, yay, yay. Dee green egg on the grass. Butterfly flying fast. To yellow egg, shining bright. Chick is dancing with delight. Purple egg in the sky. Little chick jumps super high. Rainbow eggs everywhere. Colors floating in the air. Rainbow eggs everywhere. Colors floating in the air. Learning colors is fun.
Look at the magical egg as it changes colors! Isn't that wonderful? I hope you enjoy the Colors song. Bye-bye, friends! Please like, share, and subscribe.